if you want to store them sometime. Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Annie. For those who are new, welcome, and for those who have come back, thank you for coming back. I'm so excited you're here. So I make videos about lifestyle. Basically, it includes luxury unboxings or purchases that I have made in the past or present that I want to share with you. And these days I've also ventured into sharing vlogs because I'm a mom of two. I like to share the beautiful moments that I share with my children on this channel. So if you are somebody who's interested in stuff like this, then please make sure you subscribe and follow along. So without any further ado, I want to show you my first purchase. I'm so excited to share this with you. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, but it's been a long time. And also last month, May, it's my birthday month. And usually how I spend my money, if you haven't seen my previous videos, I did explain that I try to plan my spending around, like, if I want something nice, I wait for the right time and then buy it. I do not buy impulsively or anything as such. I have a plan of what I want to buy next, basically, and I plan for that, and that's when I go and buy it. I'm going to get straight into it. I'm not going to make you guys wonder what it is. Last year of December, around my anniversary time, I went into the Van Cleef boutique and I made a wish list for something that is not very common, and I was able to make that wish. And my essay was so sweet that she said that yes, we could get this ordered for you. Usually it's wish list only, but I've been very lucky, and she said but it's a 6-month wait, and I was okay for it. And 6-month wait is basically exactly around the time of my birthday, which is again in May. So finally, around, I think I picked up this item on May 8th or something like that, a day before my birthday, and was right on time. But it didn't, I had to basically add a couple of links to it so that I can extend the size of the item. So without any further ado, let's just unbox it, and I can't wait to show you how it looks. So when I first went into the boutique, the first time when I had to try that on, the essay made me try on a couple of items, and especially the earrings. They were just amazing. I think they definitely did go onto my wish list. If you want to have like one pair of earrings which remain like a statement piece for your like entire life, I think those are the it earrings if you want to have, and you can wear it and style it in many ways. But this one's not an earring, but that particular one has went on my wish list to basically be added into, my future collections. I had it in my mind. I haven't made a wish, but it's went on to my personal wish list, if you know what I mean. So then I went in to try on the item that I've ordered basically the day before my birthday, and I've noticed that the links and all, it needs to have some additional links to be added. And my essay was very kind. She said, I'm going to add this in for you, and I'm happy to ship it in for you because I'm a mom of two and I have a baby to take care of, and it's not very easy. I also work during the weekdays. I'm in corporate, so it's not very easy for me to get out and start working. So yeah, that's one of the reasons I had to ask her to ship the item back to me. So it came in like this huge box. But on the day we went in, my essay was very kind, and she basically gave me these two stunning like sketchbooks for my children. And she said that one is for my son and one is for my daughter. I saved one for my daughter, and my son also didn't use it completely, so I'm being a little selfish and I saved these two items. Like, I got two of these just for my daughter. So one of them is brand new, other one is a bit used just by my son, so it's okay. I'm going to save it for him and her later on. So after this, yeah, so I just took that away. I left my piece right there, and I had to wait a couple of weeks or 3 weeks like that to receive my item when it's all sorted. But unfortunately, as I said, I couldn't go and pick it up personally, but my essay very kindly shipped it back to me, and it came in this huge box. So this is the huge box it came in, and of course I ordered everything, every luxury item I purchased. I tried to purchase it from Harrods, and now I'm making my mind not only just luxury, just basic utilities. If you have the time to go and buy in Harrods, make sure you buy it in Harrods because the quality is amazing. And apart from all of that, you get the rewards added onto your card. And I initially, when I knew about this rewards program, I was able to basically buy a new pair of designer shoes for the amount of rewards that I was able to collect. So that was very good. So I also was able to collect good points this time around, and I still have that money there. I'm just going to accumulate more and then try and get something nice with it. Until then, I won't use it. So this came in the Harrods box, and they basically sent me everything with it. So to start off, to be honest, I opened this myself, and I've already seen it and tried it, and It looks so good, and I couldn't wait to like basically make a set out of it. And that's basically my next item too, which I want to purchase. But there's a right time for everything, so we're going to wait for that. So they did send me a bag separately, okay, and a pouch for me to put the jewelry inside if I want to store it separately, and a travel pouch which goes along with it. Apologies for my nails, I broke my nails. You know how bad I am with them. And a booklet which basically has all of this, and it comes with like the certificate of authenticity. I don't know if you can see it, but there's details at the back of it, and until how long I have the this is certificate of authenticity and also warranty as such. It's a bit sunny out here, so which is nice, and I thought it's a nice day to make a video out of, by the way. And yeah, so that's that. And now for the final part. Oh, also the invoice is sent separately, which I don't think is something for us to discuss on this channel. Yeah, I just don't like talking money, by the way, especially how much all of this costs. I'm just going to tell what item I bought, but not going to tell how much it costs, because you can look up online if you're interested. If not, then please, it's okay. We all spend our monies in different ways, so it's all right. You spend in different categories, I spend in different categories, so it's all okay. So now for the big one, as you can see, and I am so excited that I was able to add it to my collection. Unlike any other, like, you know, common items, I was able to secure this, and I'm so happy, and I can't wait to use this and also pass it to my daughter. Maybe not pass it down, but actually share between us. Let's just unbox. Honestly, I opened this already, but I want to do this with you again, and it's been a while. I haven't seen it myself because I've been saving to wear this myself, because I know how I want to wear it, with nice oversized jeans and nice oversized shirt, and carry my Birkin, and this with some extra gold jewelry as well. But yeah, I'm imagining like that. But let's get on to this. I'm so excited. I'm sure you will be too, and be happy for me. So yeah, let's go. Based on the size, you'll be able to tell what it could be. But yes. Are you ready? Let's just open this first. It can't always be like a Birkin unboxing, right? But I can't wait to do my next bag unboxing. But let's start with this. And are you ready, ma'am? I am so excited. Da, 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 da. Like this. This is my 16 motif Sweet Alhambra in rose gold. And I'm so very lucky that I was offered this, and I waited like 6 whole months, and it is worth the wait because I totally love it, and I can style it in many ways. As you can imagine, this is how it looks. They say that it looks very pink, but I don't know if I'm blind, but it also does look like light gold to me. And yeah, it does have a pink shade to it. I'm so happy that I was able to secure this for me. And the way I'm planning on styling this is basically, you know, do double layers, and also I want to use it as a bracelet. The next steps for this, for me to pair it up with, is I also added myself for the Sweet Alhambra rose gold earrings, and it is so difficult. There are people waiting on the list for like for those for like 4 to 5 years, and it's still not getting there. Like, it's not available. People are still waiting. It's very rare they come in. I've added myself to the wish, but my essay has suggested me to go with the bigger ones, the rose gold version. And I just thought, I'm just giving it a thought whether I should go ahead with the rose gold version at this point, the bigger ones, because it's a bit expensive, but I also don't have like the bigger sized Alhambra necklace as well. So I thought, why not? Just want to show you the closer look and close up. I don't know if you could see it clearly. It's hammered. And my cousin, she was here last year, and she was saying that she wanted to buy the Kiyoshe necklace, but I don't know if I'm saying it right. Actually, I do love it, but honestly, when I tried it on me, I'm a brown girl, right? So the gold was like literally standing out and it was too loud on me. Initially, when it came in the actual size, it was too tight for my neck. Apparently, I have like a big neck. SA has increased the length on each of this strength about 5 millimeters or something like that. And yeah, why not add as much as you can? And she added the 5 millimeters or whatever, and she made it ready for me. She's actually very, 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 very kind. I met her when I first bought my other Van Cleef pieces, not the big ones. When I first bought my Van Cleef bracelet, and she was very kind. Ever since, she keeps checking on me. I could just wear it like one strand, but I don't like the look of it. I feel like I look like an old lady, but I want to wear it like double layered and also not want to wear it on dresses. But ideally, I would want to wear it this. My hair is looking really, really good and it's behaving so well today. So this is my necklace, guys. How do you like it? I'm going to use it like this. I wish, I know in the second market there is like this size. I don't know if I should. I never bought anything second hand. I always like to buy. Oh, I did, but I'll make a video about what I bought second hand and also from places where I shouldn't be and what happened. So if you want those stories, then please comment below. But yeah, but about like fine jewelry, I never bought it from second hand or from other stores. I'm just nervous like that. If I want quality, I like to wait for the best quality. Even though it's more, I like to get the originals from the store and have that proper experience. So I'm somebody like that, and I prefer to buy everything from store, but I just really want this from the store. If this is not available, I think I'm going to go ahead and get like the big rose gold, not the big, with the standard size rose gold hammered earrings. But as you can see, it doesn't look too pink on my skin tone. I'm a gold girly. I This is my just usual Cartier stack that I do every day. It's on my skin. I just don't take it out. And this one, I want to wear it as and when I want to dress up a little bit, and this is going to stay with me forever. By the way, the SA has given me a chance to basically, if you want, you can exchange it for something else you like, especially the items that she made me try. But I was like, no, this is a very rare item and I want to keep this, and I would definitely want to add the ones she actually made me try the next time on, because they are so lovely as well. So yeah, that's about it, and this is my birthday present. Plus, I think a bit of anniversary budget went into this, and yeah, I'm so happy about it. So this year my fine jewelry piece is basically this one. We will only do minimal purchases because the big spend is already done, and there is my big 10th anniversary also, so we have a lot going on. So I'm not going to spend any more money in any of this because this is acquired, and I'm happy about this for this year. Thank you for watching the unboxing. If you did enjoy this, please make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and comment. And if you want to watch more, please do let me know what sort of videos you want to watch in the future. And if there's any scope for improvement in these videos, I would love for you to tell me your feedback as well. I also have one other unboxing. It's a true unboxing, so I can't wait to share this with you. On TikTok, everywhere around are basically raving about going into Chanel shops and like standing in these queues and all of that. I don't get the vibe because honestly, the pieces are very unique and they are beautiful, but I love the classic flaps, and I might, if I have to have a bag from Chanel, I would always prioritize myself leaning towards buying a Chanel classic flap. But there's so many other bags that I fell in love with. This season, the collection is amazing, but we do not have the budget because we just got this big item. Because we have a very strict budget to purchase, so I got myself something small, which I would like to share with you all as well. So let's just unbox. This is a true unboxing, which I haven't done before. So yeah, I'm so excited to share this with you and open it with you. Comes with a booklet and dust bag if you want to store them sometime, and I usually don't. I put them in my closet. So these are the beautiful ballet patent leather shoes. I probably think this one is called, so what is this called? Oh, these are just called the Chanel ballet flats in beige black. That's it. So yeah, and I have the receipt. I ordered this again from Harrods because all of the points, all luxury purchases that I make, are everything are from Harrods because I like to collect points, which I did mention before as I was speaking. And it's so important to collect this because when I was initially learning about how the rewards program work, I tried to purchase a pair of shoes, designer shoes, for the amount of money I was able to collect via rewards. So from that point on, if possible, I've decided that even if it's for basic utilities, anything, just go, if you have the time, go towards Harrods and buy it. But I can't, but I try to maximize the benefits as much as I can. And therefore, for everything, I go to Harrods. I don't like to go into this other Chanel boutiques, which are on the Sloane Street, if you're aware, but I like to go into the Harrods and get these sorted within Harrods so I can get the rewards, if you know what I mean. So these are the beautiful, stunning pair of shoes that I've ordered for myself. I'm quite nervous to wear them because they say that, they what do you call it's a little hard to break into these shoes and they keep on eating your feet. I'm quite nervous for that, but I would love to use them as to the best possible way because literally almost 10 years ago I went into Bicester Village, and around that time Gucci was very famous with this horse bait shoes, if you remember. So I went into the Bicester Village and I was able to score the Gucci shoes for like around 200 pounds, and I still wear them to this day. Just yesterday I wore them, and I wear them. I think I wore them like crazy, maybe more than 100 times. I probably have like 6 to 7 pair of shoes, and these are the most worn shoes, and these 6 to 7 pair of shoes are probably designer, which I kept on collecting over the years of this 10 years, ever since I started going into this luxury industry or falling in love with collecting these items, right? So I only buy the items that I make the best use of, and I don't have to think 101 times on making choices. Now this one is like a basic ballet flats, which you could basically wear with everything, to office, casual, whatever, and then they look so chic, and I probably think I could get the best use of it, just like what I've been doing with Gucci shoes. These are the new ones, and in the future I want to add a brown ones. I do have another pair of Chanel shoes, the beige and the black ones, like the pumps, slingbacks, Chanel slingbacks. So that's why I did have, they have a combination of these shoes in that color as well, but I wanted something plain and simple, so I went for this. So yeah, that's about it, and this is another unboxing which I wanted to do with you all, and I thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoy luxury, please make sure you watch my previous videos, especially my Hermes unboxings, if you enjoy Hermes. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and make sure you like, share and subscribe. Take care, bye bye, thank you for watching.